Okay guys, next step that we're going to learn is, it's going to be called pa abajo. What we're going to do is, we're going to step forward just like pal medio, and then we're going to go into pa abajo. First we're going to show it to you, and then we're going to break it down for you. Here we go, pal medio. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, pa abajo. 1, 2, 3, and forward 2, 3, back 2, 3, forward 2, 3, back 2, 3, forward 2, and stop. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate it and break it down for you step by step. First, we're going to go pal medio. This is the best way to practice this. Is pal medio first and then going into pa abajo. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, pa abajo, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to hold right here. This is our fourth count. What we're going to do now is go forward with our left foot. Girls are going to go back with your right foot, and we're going to start the enchufles. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, stop.